All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got a 2012 Nissan 370Z factory Nismo car with just over 47,000 miles. And we got street bikes around here racing. Shit, come on now. Anyway, 370Z. I've had emails, questions, texts from all around the country as far as California, local guys, you know, wanting more pictures, videos, all of that information. So, this video, I'm gonna try to get in depth as I can. If you go to my website will have all the individual upgrades that's been done to this car. So make sure you guys head over to the website, DLUXmotorsports.com. It'll be in the description as well. Anyway, 47,000 mile car, 0 accidents, absolutely clean title. The body easily for a 2012, you guys know my point scale, on a 0 to 10. On a 12, dude, I mean, this car is nearly flawless. Barely a rock chip on the front of it. I'm gonna rate this car a 9.7, which is a huge score for 2012. No rash on the front lip. Maybe 1 or 2 rock chips. It's hard to really see, even if there is any. Car is finished off in freaking bright pearl white. You see the pearl right there. It looks phenomenal. The Bridgestone tires, they look a little dirty right now because I drove the thing on the grass, moving it around. Upgraded brakes and pads will be on the website as well. Factory Nismo wheels, of course. This is a 6-speed car. Tons of tread left on the tires. Let me get a quick depth gauge in there. I'd say every bit of probably 630 seconds. I'd say they're probably in this 75 to 85% range. 0 damage on the sides of the car or the back. Engine exhaust, tie tips. It sounds really, really good, hard on throttle. This car just got an oil change. It's got an upgraded oil cooler. Again, that list will be on my website. I don't want to talk about it too in depth on here. I want you guys to be able to see the full visual of the car. All right, let's go inside. Let's take a peek. It's a little dirty because I've been driving this thing, so don't hate, okay? Don't hate my dust. We'll clean it up for you. Seats, no rips, no tears. Nismo. 47,633 on the clock. You got a little Nismo shifter. That's actually super comfortable. I love that shifter. Apple CarPlay. The interior easily for 2012, 9.9 out of 10. No questions asked. There's, you know, a tiny bit of normal wear right there on the bolster. No rips or tears, just a couple wrinkles, you know, from sliding over the bolster. This car easily is probably as flawless as you'll ever see a 2012. Give you guys a shot of the engine bay. If you guys need more pictures or videos from your out of state, I'll be more than happy to shoot more if I need to. We do ship these cars anywhere in the entire country. I'm currently working with a couple people out of state on this car, so it may end up getting shipped to their door. And you're probably watching this because you're one of the guys that wanted to see a video on it. All right, engine intake. You can see how clean the engine bay is itself. Engine bay super clean. I don't detail engine bays. You can see like a little bit of dust here and there. This car sat in the last customer's garage next to all of his other vehicles, probably for the whole life that he's owned it. Anyway, engine bay, perfect. All the clips are attached on the bumper. Headlights are clean, like no fading anywhere. Anyway, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys would rate this car. It's pretty much flawless. I could probably try to point out a rock chip, but I'd probably be hard to find it on video. Yeah, I mean, dude, come on. Anything above a 9 on a 12 is unbelievably clean. And this car is where it's at right here. Nissan 370Z, 2012, just over 47K on the clock. It is a perfect example of one of the most sought after 370Z Nismos that you can buy. 12s and 13s are supposedly the best ones, so this is a perfect example. If you're interested, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. You can also drop a comment. We get back to our comments within 24 hours. Also hit us up on the website, like I said, DLUX Motorsports at Gmail, or DLUXmotorsports.com is the website. It'll have the list of all the upgrades from Z1. A bunch of nice, tasteful Z1 upgrades. Anyway, till next time, next video, it's your boy Mark right here, DLUX Motorsports, Ladson, South Carolina, the greater Charleston area. If you want to ship to your house, drop a comment. Let's go.